Today we have Miss Kirti Anand with us, who's a makeup artist and has been into this field for last 3 years. And she has been providing her services pan India. Welcome to eSchool, Kirti.
Thank you so much for having me.
Kirti, so we will straight away move to the questions. My first question to you is that please tell our students that how can they become health and beauty professional if they are interested in this field.
Okay, so let's start with schooling actually. So for school students, they can take the subject which is beauty and wellness, which has been introduced by CBSE from 2020. They can take this subject if they are really interested in this from 6th class and study this up to 12th class with lot of practice and training. And after schooling it depends on person, like if they are really very clear about this, अगर वो इस फील्ड में जाना चाहते हैं तो they can do cosmetology from some good academies which are VLCC Academy, Pearl Academy, and Lakme Academy, Orange Beauty International School, ISAS International School. So there are so many academies they can go for cosmetology.
Very nice, excellent. So they have a good opportunity at school level. They take up health and wellness as a subject in the school, and after that, if they feel that this beauty and wellness subject suits their area of interest, they can always go in for higher studies. So you mean to say when you mention these academies, so these are the academies which are private academies, but then do they provide government affiliated certification in this field?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Kirti, so now you have mentioned that they can go into these academies for further studies. So, what are the subjects and how do you specialize in a particular field? Because I'm sure in health and beauty and wellness, there must be a lot of specializations.
Yeah. So this beauty field is actually so big. You know, this industry is growing and changing every day. Every day it's something new coming up. So this is very huge industry actually. So there are so many categories like nail artist, nail technician, hair artist, hair specialist, esthetician, makeup artist, skin specialist, spa specialist. There are so many categories. So yeah, and to be a specialist in this, you have to find out like what you enjoy, you know, किस चीज में आपको interest है, find that thing. Then if you know, for example, if you're doing uh, hair and you loving it, okay, then you can do hair artistry course specialized in hair artistry. For example, मुझे मेकअप करना बहुत ज्यादा पसंद था, so I did makeup artistry course and become a professional makeup artist. So
Very
it's like
nice.
that.
Kirti, I'm sure you will be an inspiration to a lot of girls because still, you know, in our country, it requires a lot of courage to take up a career that you are really passionate about. जो कि engineer, doctor और law से हटके है. It's something like following your dream.
Yeah.
So can you just describe your journey in brief so that it could be an example for other girls to follow their dream and dream career basically?
Yeah, sure. So I grew up in very simple locality. I'm from Bharatpur. So, you know, I didn't have any guidance. I didn't have any idea कि makeup artistry या फिर beauty भी एक profession बन सकता है. But now I'm very happy to see that like इस beauty and wellness को भी एक career की तरह career option में introduce कराया जा रहा है. You're also doing a great job.
Thank
So
you.
this is like उस time बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. So I just simply did my 12th class and did graduation in science from Jaipur. But in college time, when I used to do makeup for my friends, you know, it's farewell party, fresher party. So I really enjoy that. I realized that I love doing makeup. मुझे लोगों को और प्रिटी बनाना पसंद था, मतलब मुझे मजा आने लगा उस चीज में. So I realized I want to do this. I want to make it my profession. So I just pick up the courage and decided कि मुझे ये करना है. And I asked my parents that I want to do this. And I उस टाइम मेरे पास कोई था नहीं मुझे बताने के लिए कि, क्योंकि मेरे जो फैमिली है, they all are government employed. So this was very different field actually. So I did a lot of search on Google, YouTube. So asked my parents and told them I want to do this. So I was very lucky. They allowed me to do that, and I did my professional training, makeup artistry, in bridal makeup. I'm
All
specialized in bridal makeup,
all right.
and I did course from Sakshi Urvashi Makeup Studio, which is very famous in Delhi. And after that, I took a lot of trainings from here and there. You know, learning never ends. This
Never
is
end. Very true. You're
yeah, learning never ends. So I'm still learning, but yeah, then I become makeup artist and I'm enjoying my profession extremely, and I'm loving my profession.
That's good. I mean, nothing can be better in your life if your dream, passion, and your hobby turns out to be your profession also. When you're like,
Definitely, definitely.
so Kirti, you mentioned that you've taken a formal training also. So, what's the duration of these trainings? I mean, it's for a few months or for a few years.
It can be 7 days to 3 years.
All right. So, depends upon the
Yeah,
specialization that you want to take.
yeah.
All right. So, Kirti, what are the skills that are required to become a makeup artist? Like you said, you in a very regular manner, you did your BSc, and then you discovered slowly that you were very keen and good with makeup. So, what are the skills that you feel are required to be a good makeup artist or cosmetologist?
Yeah. So for being a makeup artist, I would say firstly you need a lot of patience in this field, because this field is matlab, it's very stressful. You need a lot of patience. Firstly, I would say this thing. Second thing, you know, being an artist, you have to be a good listener. You have to be good observer. You know, observe your clients' features, her outfit, her jewelry. You have to observe everything. You
Final.
have to know. You have to know their taste, like their choice, what they really want. You know, you should have very good communication skills, connect with them, make them feel comfortable, and main thing, you need to have a good vision, because you are an artist. You have, you know, you should have a good vision. मेकअप स्टार्ट करने से पहले ही जब यू नो हम ज्वेलरी, आउटफिट और क्लाइंट का फेस सब कुछ हम देख लेते हैं, तो वी हैव अ विजन इन आवर माइंड. This will this will be the final look. So this is very very important. And one more thing I would say, that you know, don't do the art just for money. Many people come this in this field like to see glamour and बहुत पैसा है इस field में. It's not like that. You can't do the art just for money. You have to do the art with love, passion, you know.
True.
Then of course you will earn a good amount of money.
Yes. Thank you. So, tell me, what are the growth opportunities once somebody is decided to be a cosmetologist? So, क्या उसका growth pattern है?
Yeah, in this field there are so many opportunities, so many. Okay, let's start with, you know, there are so many cosmetic brands. You can, after completing the course, आप वहाँ job कर सकते हैं. And I want to mention one thing here. 90% companies, cosmetic brands or salons, they don't ask for certificates.
All
They
right.
don't ask for certificates. Yeah, they will see your practical skills. They will see that what language of makeup you speak. You know, how is your communication skills. It's all about practical thing. They don't ask for certificates.
That's interesting.
So you can, yeah, you can work for a cosmetic brand and with the very big hair salons, which is L'Oreal, Toni and Guy. There are so many salons. You can work there. And then bridal makeup artist, freelancer bridal makeup artist. This is like I am bridal makeup artist. This is very big field actually. मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा, आपको पता है Indian weddings are so big here. So yeah, you can be a bridal makeup artist. You can work with the fashion designer. You can work with jewelry designer. You
All
can work in theaters, TV, movies, and you can be a YouTuber and a beauty blogger, which is really very trending nowadays.
yes. Lovely.
So yeah.
That's nice. So you can not only restrict yourself to doing a job with branded companies or fashion brand, you can have your own enterprise in the
Yeah.
form of being a beauty blogger or a YouTuber or setting up your own salon. That's great. So it's a wide variety or wide range. Now,
Yes.
my last question from you, Kirti, is that is this field challenging and what are the challenges?
Okay. So इस फील्ड में सबसे मेन चीज यही है कि आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द कोर्स nobody knows you, nobody knows your work. So this is actually very challenging. After मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था, when I completed my course I didn't have any client. I I don't have any work. Like I was very frustrated कि अब मुझे क्या करना है, is my career over? So yeah, it's very frustrating. So for that, you have to work free with the jewelry designer, fashion designer. You have to work. Okay, you have to practice uh, and show them your work. आप नए लोगों से मिल रहे हैं तो उन लोगों को आपको बार बार बताना पड़ेगा, आई एम एन आर्टिस्ट, दिस इज माय वर्क, गिव देम योर कार्ड, show them your portfolio. This is very challenging. And second thing is, in this field there is no fixed schedule. You have to work like any time. Like if this is pre-wedding shoot or Indian wedding ceremonies, for they have to get ready for sunrise. So आपको कभी कभी सुबह 3 बजे भी जाना पड़ रहा है, 4 बजे भी जाना पड़ रहा है. फेरों के लिए आपको रात को 2 बजे भी उनका मेकअप करना पड़ रहा है. तो ये सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है इसमें, मतलब इट्स वेरी चैलेंजिंग एक्चुअली. तो या दिस इज, और यही है, मतलब इसमें फिक्स शेड्यूल नहीं है मेन चीज.
That's
And
nice.
you have to travel a lot.
Yes, so you have to be open-minded to work across different time zones and different geographies, maybe. And again,
Yeah.
in the beginning, it's a challenge that you got to establish yourself, establish your niche, and then once you have a client base, it's a good journey on your own.
Yeah.
So, thank you so much, Kirti, for speaking to our students. As you said that you did not know, you had to fend for yourself to know more about this career. So I'm sure this video will help those students who want to take up a career in beauty and wellness. Thank you, students, and thank you, audience. Stay tuned and please keep subscribing. We'll get you more such videos.